Welcome to my channel, Landscape. When an artist draws nature reflecting its beauty on the work of art, the picture that is created is called landscape. Landscape drawing and painting are among the great pleasures of life. This also gives the artist a chance to improve his nature studies. Nature study. The artist should start painting with natural beauty. Nature study is the only way to depict natural beauty. The nature study can be conducted by taking trees as a base. Different trees can give us different look. In nature study, we have to practice leaves, flowers, and outside surrounding, but one should not forget the perspective. It plays an important part in nature study. Perspective. Any object seen from near seems to be big, while the same object gets away in distance, it starts looking smaller. And when the object is coming closer, it starts looking bigger. As a general rule, the objects at a distance look smaller than the object near. This is called perspective. Various types of perspective. Perspective can be divided into three types. Linear perspective. Any object as it goes further in distance becomes smaller in height and width. While showing a row of trees, the line saving the height of the trunk that is nearest seen the biggest, while the side that is neither is seen smaller, and the third on that is farthest is seen more smaller. Expect the height of the trunk, all the lines parallel to it on the side when in cross in distance same to meet at the horizon. This total incident is called in linear perspective. Circular perspective. In this perspective, all the lines tends to become more circular. When raised above the eyesight, similar effect across. Again, when the circular lines are seen below the eyesight on both sides of the eyesight level. If the object is placed at an equal distance, the oval on both sides looks smaller, and These oval with moving away from eyesight become smaller. Colors perspective. A still life does not look beautiful and real till the colors are filled on it. Colors show the completeness and solidity of the object. The effect of light and shadow have to be react carefully while putting the colors.
Thanks for watching this video. If you are watching this video, then hit the like button and leave a comment below in the comment section. If you are new in our channel, then hit the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification first.